What if everyone had a yacht?
No need. I have my aumsum boat.
Oh, aumsum. Firstly, if everyone had a yacht, everyone may shift their home near a beach. Beaches might become overcrowded. Secondly, if everyone had a yacht, people who become seasick very easily might try to sell it off. Thirdly, if everyone had a yacht, oceans will become extremely crowded. Fishes might migrate to land. Fourthly, if everyone had a yacht, movie theaters might open up in oceans. People might start watching them directly from their yacht. Fifthly, if everyone had a yacht, cities may suddenly become deserted. People may start working out from their yacht. Lastly, if everyone had a yacht, maintaining a yacht is extremely expensive. Many people might come under financial stress.
To buy aumsum merchandise, visit aumsum.com.
It's aumsum time! What if buildings were made of chocolate?
Wow, wow, wow! That would be a dream come true!
Oh, aumsum. Firstly, if buildings were made of chocolate, before buying a building, people may start tasting it first. Secondly, if buildings were made of chocolate, everyone living in the building may also start eating it. The building may not stand for long. Thirdly, if buildings were made of chocolate, insects might pack their bags and start living inside the building. Fourthly, if buildings were made of chocolate, instead of tearing down old buildings, entire town may start feasting on it. Fifthly, chocolate is made from cocoa beans. If buildings were made of chocolate, growers of cocoa beans will be among the richest. Lastly, chocolates easily melt in hot temperatures. If buildings were made of chocolate, people may start shifting their houses to colder places.
To buy aumsum merchandise, visit aumsum.com.
What if kitchens disappeared?
Oh no! Now how will I get my burgers and pizzas?
Oh, aumsum. Firstly, if kitchens disappeared, people who love to cook would be extremely disappointed. Secondly, if kitchens disappeared, sale of fruits may skyrocket. Many people may suddenly become more fit. Thirdly, if kitchens disappeared, like old times, people may start camping and preparing food outdoors. Fourthly, if kitchens disappeared, people may start lining up to buy canned as well as prepackaged food. Fifthly, if kitchens disappeared, five-star restaurants may have to close down. Room rates in five-star hotels may plummet. Lastly, if kitchens disappeared, chefs would have to look for a new profession.